Hello everyone, it's Bharat Gupta and we are starting a very important course for Quant, that is CAT previous year question from 1994 to 2017. To watch all questions that are asked in previous year, you can download Unacademy Learning app from Play Store and we'll discuss each and every question that will guide you how to solve, how to attempt these questions in real-time examination. So this is CAT previous year number system question 1 to 5. आपको करना क्या चाहिए, जैसे ही कोई क्वेश्चन दिखता है और इन दिस यू विल गेट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 1 to 5 देन 6 to 10 एंड सो ऑन. सो बिफोर सॉल्विंग और वॉचिंग इट सॉल्यूशन, pause the video and solve it by yourself, right? So question number 1 is the smallest number which when divided by 4, 6 or 7 leaves a remainder of 2 is. Options are 44, 62, 80 and 86. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the smallest number which when divided by 4, 6 or 7 leaves a remainder of 2. So the solution would be, approach 1 would be LCM of 4, 6, 7 plus 2. This is what basic concept of this question, and we can solve this question using option as well, because we have to calculate those number which when divided by 4, 6 or 7 leaves a remainder of 2, and we can start with the given option. Let's say we take option A, 44. 44 when divided by 4 leaves remainder 0, so it is not possible, right? Option B, when divided by 62 when divided by 4 remainder is 2, possible, but when divided by 6 remainder is 2, but divided by 7 remainder is 6, so not possible, right? So by this we can check each and every option. Now if we check C option, 80 is divisible by 4, we can't take, and last option D. Now D when divided by 4 remainder is 2, और वैसे भी हमारे 3 ऑप्शन कैंसिल हो गए. आवर आंसर इज डी, बट वील चेक इट. 86 when divided by 4 remainder is 2, good. 86 when divided by 6 remainder is 2, yes, and 86 when divided by 7 remainder is 2, so our answer is D option. Got it? It is very easy question, but there are some other questions which are very important and difficult as well. Now like question number 2, the number of positive integer not greater than 100 which are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5 is. So the question is the number of positive integer not greater than 100 which are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. So there are two approach for these type of question. Our question is 1, 2, 3 up to so on till 100, including 100 as well, and which are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. Okay, so first method is we'll calculate number divisible by 2, 3, not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. It is 2 union 3 union 5, and we'll calculate those number which are divisible by 2, then those number divisible by 3, and then those number divisible by 5. Then we'll subtract those common number which are divisible by 2 and 3, then 3 and 5, then 2 and 5, and then we'll add 2, 3 and 5, those number which are divisible by 2, 3 and 5. But it will take time to calculate all these number. This method is time consuming, right? Now the easier approach for this, let's calculate number not divisible by 2 or 5 from 1 to 100. Now this is a method, very interesting method. If we have to calculate numbers from 1 to 100 which are not divisible by 2 or 5, so the method is very interesting. See, 100 we have to calculate number not divisible by 2 or 5, so 100 is divisible by 2 and 5 both, so we'll apply phi-n method. That method we have discussed in our number system course. So if you have any error, any problem in this concept, you can watch my number system concept so that you have idea how to approach question like this. So first of all, if we have to calculate only those number which are not divisible by 2 or 5, we can apply simply phi-n method, which is 100 into 1 minus 1 by 2, 100 minus 1 minus 1 by 5. So it is 100 into 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. So there are 40 number which are not divisible by 2 and 5 from 1 to 100. But our question is number from 1 to 100 not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. The problem is this: if we apply the same approach that we applied in this phi-n method, so it would be 100, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 5. But if we solve this number, it would be not an integer. So what we'll do? Now we have to calculate, we'll calculate a number nearest to 100, less than 100, which is divisible by both all 3, 2, 3 and 5, that is 90. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll calculate number of number not divisible by 235 from 1 to 90, right? Why? Because if we calculate for 100, it will give us a decimal value, a value in point. So for that case, we'll first calculate those number which is closer to 100 and divisible by 235, that is 90. So we'll calculate number of number from 1 to 90 which is not divisible by 235. This is 90. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 5. This is 24. So it means we have 24 number from 1 to 90 which are not divisible by 235. Now from next, now we'll calculate, count extra number from 91 to 100, because we have to calculate from 1 to 100. So what we'll do, we'll write 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 90, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and we'll cancel those number which are divisible by 2, 3 or 5. So 91 is possible number, 92 is not possible, 93, 94, all these number are cancelled, because we have to calculate those number which are not divisible by 9, 2, which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5. So only number possible 91 and 97, right? All other number from 90 to 100 are divisible by either by 2 or 3 or 5. So 2 number from this range and 20 from this range, 24. So our answer is 26. Answer of this question is A option. Got this point? Now what is the final approach for this? No need to solve entire question like this. If you command this method, अगर आपको ये मेथड कमांड हो जाता है तो एग्जाम में इसको फाइनली करना कैसे है? अगर आपके पास 1 to 100 आ गया या 1 to 200 आ गया, 1 to 300 आ गया, तो कैसे करोगे आप? इतना लंबा थोड़ी करोगे. आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, जैसे आपको दिखा 1 to 100, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2, 3, 5, 2 डिवाइड करता है 100 को, 5 करता है लेकिन 3 नहीं करता है. इट मींस वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट अ नंबर विच इज क्लोजर टू 100 लेस देन 100 एंड डिविजिबल बाय 2, 3 और 5. इट इज 90. सो 90 into 1 by 2, 90 into 2 by 3 and then 4 by 5. This will give us 24. And there are two number from 91 to 100 because we have to calculate till 100. And with this calculation we have calculated till 90. So from 91 to 100 we'll calculate extra number which are not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. Only two numbers are there. One is 91, one is 97. So 24 and 2 is 26 our answer. Got this point? Next question. The product of all integer from 1 to 100 will have the following number of 0 at the end. Now it is very easy question. This is what factorial question, and this question asked in CAT 1993. Right? We have to calculate number of 0 in factorial 100. So as we know, in case of factorial 100, what we'll do, we'll divide this 100 by 5, 20 by 4. Now add 20 and 4, our answer would be 24. So there are 24 zeros if we multiply number from 1 to 100. Answer is B option. Okay. Question number 4. Question is un plus 1 is equal to un plus 1, and where n is 0, 1, 2 and u0 is 0, then u10 would be nearest to. This question asked in CAT 1993 and options are 1023, 2047, 4095 and 8195. Okay. So we have given with value of un plus 1 in terms of un, and value of u0 is 0, and we have to calculate u10. So what we'll do, we have given with un plus 1 which is 2un plus 1, and where n is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now put n as 0. This would be 2u0, this would be u1, and u0 is what? 0. So this value is 1, right? Now u2, 2u1 plus 1. Now u1 is 1, so it would be 3. Then u3, 2u2 plus 1, and u2 is 3, 3 to the 6 plus 7, 7. Then u4 would be 2u3 plus 1, which is 15. u5 would be 2u4 plus 1 and 31. Can you recognize a pattern in this? Yes. The pattern is un is, see, for case u1 it is 2 minus 1. For u2 it is 2 square minus 1. For u3 it is 2q minus 1. For u4 it is 2 to the power 4 minus 1. And for u5 it is 2 to the power 5 minus 1. So this is 2 to the power n minus 1. The pattern is un, we can write 2 un is 2 to the power n minus 1. So for u10 it is 2 to the power 10 minus 1, and 2 to the power 10 is 1024 minus 1, which is 1023. Answer is A option. So this is an easy question. Now next question. Now the question is very interesting. A young girl counted in the following way on the finger of her left hand. She started calling the thumb 1, the index finger 2, middle finger 3, little finger 5, then reverse direction calling the ring finger 6, middle finger 7, index finger 8, thumb 9, and then back to index finger for 10, middle finger for 11, and so on. She counted up to 1994. And now this question asked in 93. She ended on her thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger. Okay, pause this video, solve it. Now watch its solution. See, she's counting on her left hand. She started with counting thumb as 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then reverse order 6, 7, 8, 9, then reverse order 10, 11, 12, 13, then reverse order 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on. So we can write this order like thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. She started like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Process is very interesting. She start like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like this. So our process is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17. See, we have to calculate. See, if she counted till 1994, she ended on her. You can clearly see that even number always comes on this part, either index finger or ring finger. So thumb and index finger are not possible. So we have left with index or ring finger. So index, on index we have 2, 8, 10, 16, 18, and so on, and on ring finger we have 4, 6, 12, 14, 20, and with the difference of 6, then 2, then 6, then 2, here also 2, then 6, then 2, then 6, the difference between the digits. Okay, so what can we do? If we write this series in two part, see, we have series like 2, 8, which is 6 more, then 8, 10, 2 more, then 6 more, then 2 more. So if we write it in two parts, first part is 2, 10, and then 18, and second part is 8, 16, 24. If we break this index finger number in two parts, and same way ring finger number in two part, so we have a clear series of AP which is increasing with 8, same way in 8 and 8 and 8. So we can say these all four are example of AP with difference, common difference be 8. So what is the formula for Tn? This is A plus n minus 1 into D, right? What is our last digit? In this case 1994. So we'll put Tn as 1994. We have to find with this condition. Let's say A is our first number, n minus 1 into 8. Now take A this side and divide by 8. This is n minus 1. See, we are solving an arithmetic progression, and every arithmetic progression contain integer number of terms, right? So n minus 1 would be integer when this number is an integer, and if n minus 1 integer, then n would be integer. So the point is this: see, in all these four AP, first term are different and other things are same. Other thing means common difference in last term. So our aim is to calculate which of the first term A will give us this number as इंटीजर. इनमें से कोई एक ए होगा जिसको यहां पुट करने से ये पूरा वैल्यू इंटीजर आएगी. तो हमारा एम ये होगा कि 2 रखने से या 8 रखने से या 4 रखने से 6 रखने किससे ये इंटीजर आ रहा है. नाउ पुट 2, 8, 4, 6 which gives n minus 1 integer will be our answer, right? So if we put a as 2, this would be 1992, and now 1992 divisible by 8. So we can say this girl will end on index finger. Answer of this question is B option, right? सी प्रॉब्लम इस क्वेश्चन में ये होती है कि आपको स्टार्टिंग समझ नहीं आएगी. तो आपको पहले तो समझना होगा. तो प्रीवियस स्लाइड में हम देखते हैं, हमको ये समझ में आया कि इवन नंबर ऑलवेज एंड्स ऑन व्हाट, इंडेक्स और रिंग फिंगर. सो आवर आंसर वुड बी इंडेक्स और रिंग. एंड देन व्हाट आर नंबर विच आर ending on index is 2, 8, 10, 16, 18. This is a AP but with alternate term AP. So first term 6, 2, then 6, 2, then 6, 2, and same with this. तो हमने क्या किया, उसको दो सीरीज में ब्रेक कर लिया. एक सीरीज 2, 10, 18 की, एक 18, 16, 24 की. these series are comes on index finger. Same way 4, 12, 20 and this like. So these four are AP with common difference 8 and अब इनमें से किसी एक सीरीज में 1994 आएगा, तो हम देखेंगे किस में 1994 रखने से n-1 a की वैल्यू पुट करने से इंटीजर आ रहा है। केवल ए ऑप्शन में हमने देखा कि जो हमारे पास पहली वैल्यू थी 2, इसका फर्स्ट टर्म 2 था, 2 रखने से ये कंप्लीट इंटीजर फॉर्म आ रहा है, राइट। सो दिस इज अवर आंसर। सो फ्रेंड, दिस इज पार्ट 1 ऑफ previous year CAT question. We'll meet you with the next part in the next session. Till then, all the best.